Welcome to CAD Station. We have done a 3D sketch in which we have made a pipe connection of pipes in 3D sketch. We have another task that is task 4, in which we have to make a combination of pipes that we are again going to use a 3D sketch. So let's move to our Solidworks, new and part. So again, you can find a 3D sketch here, or you can just click here and type 3D and enter. So you have a 3D sketch here, it's activated. Now first we have, you can see here, we have to make a straight line, then go up, then again right. So align command, we are going to move here, then up, then again here. You have to make a random or a rough sketch, you can say, here, then again straight. You have to come here, let me see. You can see it has to come on the left, but it's going to downward. So skip, select this line and delete. Now again select line, select it and see, it's coming here, here and here. So we have done with till there. Now we have to move forward. So okay, come to the point. We have to move here. So again we have to come here, let me see. You can see it's again done wrong. We have to move this line here. So again select this, come here, now here, and okay, it's going okay. Now move it continuously so you can find you are going right or not. You can see if I go there, okay. Now rotate it so you can find, okay, we are going in the right direction till here. Now we have to move downward. So if I click here, you can see it's not perpendicular, so we have to come here. Okay, now come here, here and here. Now check, you are going right. Okay, our drawing is going to be bigger, but no problem, we have done this part. Now we have to move forward again. You can just take it to here so you can find you are going the wrong way, but now you are going right. We move forward, then we have to move right. We had come here, now we have to move right. So click here, but first rotate it so you can find the right path. Okay, now move it to here so you can, okay. Now no, it's not going. Or one more thing, these arrows, these axes are showing well. Skip, again select line, now click here and no, it's again going out. Now this axis is showing we are moving here. Okay, Control 7 you can press for isometric view. Okay, we have to come here, now we have to move here. Where is our sketch? Control 7. Okay, this line we have make it wrong, so I'm going to delete this line. Delete, select. Okay, we have done with this. Now we have to move forward. So line and no, you can press tab to change the axis. I have pressed the tab here and okay. Now you can find we have moved right. Select this one, so you can find. Okay, control 7 to take it to isometric. Now we have to mention dimension, because you can see I start from here, that's very small, and with respect to time okay, yeah, I have a, okay, I just think this one is looking like it's not the proper one, but it's, yeah, it's okay. Now we have to mention dimensions. Here you can see we have a 60, so let's mention the first one. This is 60. Okay, the next one, its height is, let me find where is the height. 60, 30, 120, 30, 120, 30, 120, and 30, 60. It's not mentioned the height, so I'm going to take it by myself. This one is 60, so I'm going to put it also 60. 60. This one is 30, it's given, yeah, here 30. The next one is 120. This one is 120. This one is 30, and this one we have take as this one 60, this one 60, so this line will come on the straight path. This 30 is done. Now again 120, this line is 120 mm. Control 7 to take it to isometric. Now again we have done with 120, now 30 and 60, so again this is 60, 30, 60, and after that 60, 30, again 120, so again 120. Now next is 30, same 30, 60, 30. So here this one is of 60, not the 30, 60. This is of 30, this is again 60, and this one is also 60. Now our sketch is done. Escape and escape from here. Now it's done. Control 7, you can see it's going well. Now again control 7 isometric. Now you can read here, swept was base feature of 10 mm circle. So we have to make a 10 mm circle here, or you can find it here. This diameter means we have to make a pipe of 10 mm. So here front plane no, top plane no, right plane yes, because right plane is perpendicular over this line. So we have to select the perpendicular and sketch circle. Control 8 to take it to the normal. Okay, control 8, or okay, from the origin make a circle of 10 mm. Double click to exit from the sketch, and our sketch is ready. Control 7 again. Okay, one more thing, let me find, yeah, here is radius of 15. We just forget to mention the flits. Flits for this, again come here, sketch 15 mm. So we have to select this flit 15 mm and just select all the edges. Okay, why? Select this one. We'll find what's the problem with that, but the resulting selection conflict place flit each segment E ends only piece once without intersecting adjacent flit. Then what's the problem here? 10 mm. Okay, now try this. Okay, that's the difference of size. Because we don't have the proper dimension, so I'm going to use this 10 mm flit. or let me check it by increasing 12 mm. Okay, it's going to be okay with 12, so 12 mm's here. Just go through the all points. We are doing this because our sub was based on suppose the sharp edges. That's why we have to make this flat. Okay, let it done. Now we are going to use features, exit from here, so we have the easy way. Swift was base, in this just zoom it, select this, and in the path select this one, and okay, we have done with this. Control 7. Let me show you the front. This one is the front, so you can find this is your front view, this one is your front view, and this one is isometric. So here's your front, here is your isometric view. If you want to make it hollow, that's simple. Just go to shell. If it's required, select here and select here. You want to make the hollow from here till that end, and not the 10 mm's, 1 mm's, and okay, it's done. Control 7 again. Now I am going to show you the sketch. Here's a sketch. Here is our outer circle, here is our inner circle. That one is 1 mm difference. Now again, and I'm going to change its appearance. It's going to, okay, this right color or this one. No, it's not looking good. Okay, that's okay, we can select any one. So here you can hopefully you can understand how to make 3D sketch. You have done this 3D sketch in previous tutorial, and here you have done again. So hopefully you will make any 3D sketch by yourself. If still you are unable to make a 3D sketch, then you can ask me on comment section. I will try to make more tutorial on this 3D sketch. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe CAD Station and share to your friends.